Okay, Shahina, we are solving these questions. Actually, geometry is really fun. I don't know. I really like geometry. Uh, review questions. So now we'll do a bit faster. Okay. So here, triangle APQ. Triangle APQ is enclosed within the rectangle ABCD as shown in the figure below. Okay, enclosed means here the corners are on the rectangle. This is corner Q, corner P, corner A, right? So the question is calculate the area of APQ. So that is the area of this APQ. So what do you think, Shahina? How do we calculate the area of APQ?
I think we like have to erase the other part out, but I
Yeah,
think we've done this before.
yeah.
Just but like
Imagine that, Shahina, you have a piece of A4 size paper, right?
yeah.
You see this A4 size paper, right? And from this A4 size paper, you just take a scissors and you're cutting off this part. Let's say this part is, the area is A. And also cutting off this part, let's say this area is B. And also cutting off this part, the area is, just not say A, B, C. Usually we just use capital A for area. Let's say this one is capital A sub 1, this one is capital A sub 2, and this one is capital A sub 3, right? And so from the area of shaded region or not shaded region, what is that? That's the area of triangle, what is it? APQ, right? That is triangle APQ. What is it? That's equal to the area of rectangle. That is ABCD. That is ABCD. So, just 1 minute. O dersime yarım saate telefon qilaman, maylimi? Hop. Yarım soatdan telefon qilaman. Hop. All right, Shahar, let's get back. So the area of this triangle APQ, that's equal to the area of the whole rectangle, that is A4 size paper. Now we just cut off this part, that means minus capital A sub 1, and also cut off this part, that is minus A sub 2, and cut off this part, minus A sub 3, equals, we know how to find the area of the rectangle, right? That's just length times width. Length equals 12. And how about width? It is 6 plus 3, that is 9. Minus, how about A sub 1? That's a triangle, right? How do you find the area of a triangle? 1 over 2 times height times base. That is 6 times 4. Minus, how about this capital A sub 2? Shahina, what is the length of PB?
It's 12. Oh wait, no. It is 8.
8, very good. How about the length of BA?
BA 9.
9. So the area, this is a right angle, right? Area of triangle PBA, that's equal to 1 over 2 times 8 times 9. Minus, how about the area of A sub 3? That is 1 over 2 times height times base, because it's a right angle triangle, right? So that is 3 times 12. That's it. Now just we need to evaluate this. 12 times 9. What is 12 times 9?
108.
Good. Minus 6 times 4, 24, divided by 2, 12. Minus 1 over 2 times 8.
4.
4 times 9.
4 times 36.
36. Minus 12 over 2. 6 times 3, that is 18, right? Equals, actually, I can just do this like this. 108 minus, take minus outside, 12 plus 36 plus 18, right? which is equal to 108 minus 12 plus 18. It is 30 plus 36, that is 66. And equals, it is 34 plus 8, 42 square centimeters. So, dot, 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 therefore, the area of triangle, what is it? A, P, Q, that's a triangle, equals 42 square centimeters. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Shahina, now take a piece of paper, do it. I will give you 3 minutes. When you are ready, tell me. If you answer in 3 minutes, and I will compare your answer. If you get the same answer, it's fine. If it is wrong, then we will discuss it, okay?
Okay. Let me just get.
All right, ready?
Yes.
Okay, 3 minutes.
Just,
Start.
is it BP equals CP. Calculate the area of the trapezium and BPQ. BPCGC. Um, we find the area of. Do we find the area of the rectangle or the triangle?
Oh, you need to find the area of the trapezium, ABPQ.
ABP.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see. Yeah, I see it. That place. Got it. Let's see. It's a rectangle. Okay, so I think that's 18. And it was 9. I think it's like 50. Um, that's 3 here. And that's 4. 12 here. So that's 12 there. Then 3 times 4 no, 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 no. 8 times 3 times 4 and 9 6 times 4 6 times 4 is
Shahina, what happened? Finished?
almost
Almost. Okay.
Wait, what? Let's see. Right here.
How are you solving this problem, Shahina? Hello?
Sorry, the connection cut off or something. Wait, I
What
haven't.
did you get?
So I did it, but like I got a way off answer.
What did you get?
I got 56 or something.
Hmm.
But what I did was I took the area of the recti- rectangle and I divided it in two to get the triangles area, and then like I tried to cut off the smaller one to get the area of the
No.
trapezium.
You actually complicated the problem. Shahina, look here in the question. This is a rectangle. Okay. Length is 8. So that's also this 8. 8, right? And it says BP equals CP. BP equals CP. That means that is 6, right? So this must be 3. This must be 3. So we know that to find the area of the trapezium, we need to know the sum of the parallel sides. This side is PQ. Let's say PQ plus this side is 8 over 2 times height. What is height? 3. The only thing we don't know here is PQ, right? This PQ, I need to find the value of PQ. What is it? I don't know. Let's say this X. Now from here, look at this. This thing, is it the right angle triangle? This one, triangle ACD. Is it the right angle triangle? Yes, right? Because here, this is a right angle. So ACD is a right angle triangle. So using Pythagorean theorem, I can find the length of AC. So 6 squared plus 8 squared, that's equal to AC squared. Or AC squared equals 6 squared, 36, 8 squared, 64, that's equal to 100. If AC squared is 100, what is AC?
50.
Square root of 100, which is equal to
Oh.
10.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Because 10 squared equals 100, Shahina. You make the same mistake again and again. So that is 10, Shahina. Look here, if you draw this, we know that this side is parallel to this side, right? So it actually bisects this line segment because these two things are equal. And last time actually we did similar example. Then also this line segment QC must be equal to AQ, right? So what is the length of AC? AC equals 10. That means that AQ must be 5 and also QC must be 5, right? Because it is, if you just draw a line, it is bisecting this line segment. It's just dividing this into two equal line segments. So that is 5. Now again, Shahina, look at this. We have another small right angle triangle, right? So again, I will use Pythagorean theorem one more time. Here we have x squared plus 3 squared equals 5 squared. So from here, x squared equals, what is 5 squared?
25.
25 minus, what is 3 squared?
9.
9. X squared equals, what is 25 minus 9?
16.
16. Now what is x?
It's 8. No, 4. 4.
Come on. That is square root of 16. That's equal to?
Oh, 4.
4. Now, Shahina, we got x, right? Then the area of trapezium, what is it? ABPQ. ABPQ. That is equal to the sum of the parallel sides, that is 8 plus what is x? It is 4. 4 over 2 times height. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 is divided by 2. 6 times 3, that is 18 square centimeters.
Oh.
Okay?
Yeah.
Very good. So if this thing is clear, let's see another example here. Read it.
A piece of wire 48 centimeters long is bent to form a rectangle whose length is twice its width. Calculate its area.
Okay, Shahina. This is another example. Try. It's very easy question. Give you 3 minutes. Okay. All right. 3 minutes. Time starts.
Let me see. 48. So let's see. So I got it. Calculate its area. Okay. Um. Okay, so that's 42 centimeters. 6 centimeters. And 22 times 16.
Finished?
I think so.
You think so? What's your answer?
I got 512 centimeters.
512 centimeters.
Yeah.
It's area. You mean square centimeters?
Yeah, square centimeters.
Okay. So a piece of wire, 48 centimeters long. Okay, now we have a kind of piece of wire that is 48 centimeters. And it's bent to form a rectangle. Okay, we formed a rectangle using this wire. And it says that whose length is twice its width. So if its width is, let's say, x, right? So its length is 2x. Calculate its area. Okay, to find the area, first we need to know the value of x. So since we use this piece of wire to make this rectangle, so the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times length times width. That is 2x plus x. It must be equal to 48 because we use this wire to make this rectangle, right? So perimeter equals the length of this rectangle. Now from here, 2x plus x, 3x, 2 times 3x, 6x equals 48. Now what is x, Shahina?
8.
6 times what number equals 48?
8.
8. So we got 8. Good. So now we need to find the area, right? What is area? Length times width. And what is the length? From here, length equals, we know that this one is, since it is 8. So if it is 8, the length is equal to 2x, that's equal to 16. Width is equal to x, that's equal to 8. So length equals 16, width equals 8. And what is it? 8 times 10, 80. 8 times 6, 48. 128 square centimeters.
Oh, because what I did, I think I did it wrong because I divided 48 by 3, and then like I got 32. So then
Oh,
no, I got 16, and then I added 16 more, so it'll be like half of it. So yeah, I
so
think
where did you make mistake? Here?
no, I think because I started off like, I don't know if you can see this, but
Uh-huh. Okay, good.
yeah,
All right.
I
It's
have
a
to
small
divide it.
mistake, it's fine. But if you got the idea, what is the idea? You should understand that since we are using this piece of wire to make this rectangle, perimeter of this rectangle must be equal to the length of this wire. So we form this equation in x, so we find the value of x. And using this x, we can identify or determine the value, find the length of this rectangle, right? And after that, just multiply length by width, we get the area. Okay, Shahina, let's solve one more question. How about this one? 3 minutes, okay? Solve it on a new paper, clean paper, and after that, you will take a picture and send it by through WhatsApp, okay? And if you get the answer, 3 minutes.
Rectangle is 4 centimeters longer than width. Okay, let's see. Okay, so just 44 centimeters. That's longer than this. See, next one, that's 18. One, two, three. That's 10.
Time. Done?
No, I made a mistake, so.
Okay. So what is the question here? The length of a rectangle is 4 centimeters longer than its width. In this kind of questions, the first thing is, Shahina, we need to draw, right? Since we are talking about rectangle, we don't know any kind of rectangle. Okay. It says that the length is 4 centimeters longer than its width. Do we know its width? We don't know. Let's say it is W. W. Then its length is W plus 4. W plus 4. And its perimeter is 44. So here, let's just write it down quickly. Perimeter is 2 times length plus width. That's equal to 44. Find the length and area of the rectangle. So that means that we need to find the length, which is equal to W plus 4. We have to find this. The second question is, we have to find the area of the rectangle. Okay, when you're reading this, you should draw the picture, write it down, what is given here. Now we will solve it. Okay, the solution will be, first, using this perimeter, right? The first step, perimeter is 2 times length. What is length? W plus 4. So here we have W plus 4 plus W here. That is equal to 44. So here we have 2 times. Immediately, if possible, write 44 as 2 times something. So 44, I can write it as 2 times 22, right? So now if you divide both sides by 2, these 2's are gone. W plus W, it is 2W. We know how to solve this linear equation. On the right-hand side, we have 22. Now here we have 2W. If you subtract 4 from both sides of the equation, 4 minus 4, 0. Here we have 22 minus 4. So what is W? 22 minus 4, 18. And divide both sides by 2. That is equal to 9. So the first, the answer to the first question is, the length is equal to, what is it? W plus 4. That is 9 plus 4. That's equal to 13 centimeters. And how about the second part of the question? We need to find the area. What is area? Area equals length times width. Do we know the length? From here we know, right? It is 13. 13 times, how about width? Well, also we know the width. From here it is equal to 9. That's equal to 9 times 10, 90. 9 times 3, 27. 90 plus 27, that is 117 square centimeters.
Oh, yeah, I think I messed up on the calculating the W part.
Okay. Shahina, practice, okay, as many questions as possible from this chapter. If possible, solve all the questions, because as you see, these questions are really important. It's not like equation type questions. All questions are different. If you can actually solve all these questions, it really improves your problem solving skill a lot. Okay? Maybe a bit slowly, but try to solve every question. And if you don't understand, put a question mark, okay? Bring to the class so we will discuss together. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Shahina, that much is enough for today. All right? See you on Wednesday.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.